everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the limited edition Halloween 2018 card kit. And this kit has everything you could ever want and more for all your Halloween crafting. I'm going to walk you through the contents, starting with this Frightfully Fun stamp set. Now this is a larger stamp set. It's 6x8. Some really cute Halloween imagery there. Look at that mummy puppy. And then as well, there's some coordinating sentiments to go along with those images. Next up, we have the Ghost Boo die. So I die cut one to show you just how cute it is. Look at the boo. So it pops out. You could leave it like that to show the negative space. You could also use the word boo separately with or without the ghost. You're also going to get a full-size intense black ink, which would be great to use with the stamp set because this ink, she's Copic friendly. Also included in the kit is some Pebbles Spooky Boo 6x6 papers. You're going to get one sheet of each design. And now some of these patterns have this beautiful embossed texture to them. You can kind of see the cat's face, how they shine. And then this one here I thought was really fun. You could fussy cut those out, make tags, put them on goodie bags or Halloween treat bags. And there's a really great mixture of patterns within this paper pack. Some are busy, some are not as busy. Now to go along with this Spooky Boo line, there's some Pebbles Spooky Boo puffy stickers. There's also some Spooky Boo die cut shapes, which I took them out of the packaging just so you could see a few of the imagery. It's kind of hard to show all of them, but they really are adorable. This one has some gold like embossing to it. There's a cute bat. These are so handy to have on hand. They're easy to pop on a card or pop on a tag. Next up, we have the American Crafts Goodie Bag Kit. I had to dump out this one to show you what's all inside. So you get a bunch of these clear bags to put candy or goodies or whatever you want. And then there's these toppers, these bag toppers that are pre-cut, pre-scored in a variety of patterns. You just fold them like that and adhere them onto the top of your goodie bag, whether you want to staple it on the sides or tape it. And then there's some embellishments, googly eyes and die cut shapes and sentiments to put on the topper to finish it off. The packaging has some ideas. These are great for parties. Moving right along in this kit, you're going to get 12 paper craft bags ready to embellish. So these are great since they're paper. You could stamp on them. You could put some puffy stickers on them, some die cut shapes. Maybe you'd like to embellish them with a clip-on spider. In this kit, you're going to get 24 clip-on spiders. These are so cute. I never thought I would say that about a spider. I don't generally say they're cute, but they do clip on. Look at that. You could even clip it on your pocket, wear it around. Great for Halloween. So next up is a bag of spider webs. You ever had a bag of spider webs? So I've seen people use these to decorate their windows and doors for Halloween, but have you ever tried to use these on a craft project? I might have to try putting some of that on a card. Also included in the kit is this bottle of Ivory Sands glitter. It's pure sheen glitter, gorgeous champagne color. There's also a mini bottle of glossy accents, as well as a small package of the most adorable Ghost Braddies by Doodlebug. And then you're going to get 5 sheets of Simon Says Stamp cardstock in ivory, black, royal purple, green apple, and orange peel. And I have a couple of projects to show you that I created using some of the contents of the kit. I couldn't resist the Ghost Boo die. Pop that up on some of that Pebbles Spooky Boo pattern paper. I also embellished one of the craft bags using more of that Pebbles paper and some of the die cut shapes. I do want to mention that this is a limited edition card kit, so when it's gone, but many of the contents can be purchased separately. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.